Okay guys, so this is our day 2 class for log topic. And just for brief idea, last week we started our class on 15th. So 15th, 16th we had class, and this you remember the day we had actually total 3 classes we had. Sorry, I think 2 classes we had in last week, 15th and 16th. So on 15th we took our log topic. We could not complete the topic, so today I will complete the log topic. Oh yes, you are right. On 15th we didn't do anything. 16th and 17th we had class. So on 15th we had only introduction. On 16th we took log topic, and on 17th our core time got over. Like 3 days for core got over. Then it came to this thing, bridge course. So in bridge course we had our some topics. Now so we have to continue our log topic again. So this is our day 2. You can consider day 2 for the core subject. Okay, we have only taken day 1 for the core subject. I hope everything is clear now. On 16th we have taken day 1 for the core subject. All the videos whatever I will teach here, it will be ready, and I will upload on Drive. And all the assignments and DPPs I will upload on Drive. And that's all. Remaining things you guys will continue. And now after class I will explain what are the topics we have done, and you guys can find a time for test series, and tomorrow you guys can find time for test series. And whatever topics you have done properly from the previous classes, for those topics you can visit the website. I will guide you after class which topic you can take in the test series. That's all. Let's start the class, day 2 class.